Robin here with WTI. Let's talk about these lumber pillow inserts. These 12 by 20 pillow inserts are really super handy. I wanted a little bit of support for my sofa in like a lumbar style, and these were exactly what I wanted. They do come in a 2-pack. Everything is really nicely finished, and I have had no problems with any ripping or tearing, and I've been using them for quite some time. The level of support is just enough for what I need. It is not super firm, but it is also not completely flat either, which is great. The sizing is really great for what I needed. As you can see here in my pillows, they are perfect. They do suggest if you want a fuller pillow to go up another size, but the next size after this is an 18 by 18, which would not fit. So as much as I wish that was magic, I did have to insert them myself, which was really easy. Like I said, they are soft, but also just that little bit firm, so it's not too hard to get them into the pillow covers either. I would definitely recommend these. They are a great versatile insert for decorative or lumbar support pillows. I love them. But that's just my point of view.